Hi everyone, my name is Usama Iqbal and these are my group members Mohammad Azim Razak, Mirza Ali Jaza and Ekta Nagar. So my topic for discussion is table of communities, data stores, network application, traffic flows and model for addressing and naming. So these provide the basic overview what I'm going to discuss in these slides: user community, data store, how IP addresses are allocated, further how it's been split to different devices. So user community table provide the data who are the users which are going to access the network at that time. Just see name of the user of community, like who are going to use that network, how many of them are going to access that network, from where it is going to be accessed, community location, and application used by the community, what type of application that is going to use in that network. Data store table. Data storage is a storage area when the data of application and entire will be stored. It means like it's going to provide entire data about the users which are going to access the network. So data store will tell us what type of data it should be, location for where it should be saved, what type of applications which are going to be used in that communities, and communities using that application. It means like with what type of people are going to use that application. Network application and traffic flow table. There are various applications in network which will be used by different communities, different staff, different network people, and traffic flow definitely depends on the usage of the users and the time they are trying to access the network. So in this table, it's tell or what is the name of the application, what type of traffic flow it is, what type of protocol is being used in the application, what type of communities which are using the application, what are the data stores and bandwidth required to fulfill that application, so it should not lag. And lastly, model for addressing and naming. So this is the table which I have done, in which I have done subnetting in a medical center. So these are the subnet name, number of the addresses required, addresses assigned. So these are the network address, subnet mask, and IP address ranges. So the technique which is used to splitting the subnetting is called variable length subnet masking, and the total number of IP addresses available for a network is 254. The total number of IP addresses needed was in this medical center was 240, and the number of subnet allocated is 190. The remaining one for IP can be used in future. So 14 IP addresses can be used in further future. So these are no, we haven't wasted them. We have just reduced here. So conclusion, the community table with the users are explained in detail. All the users are covered who are going to use the network. The network explained with the correct flow, like how traffic is going to be divided. The IP address for the network is allocated. So we have allocate IP to every address, and all the devices are allocated with each unique IP address. Thank you.